we are doing an at-home COVID test. CVS. Have you ever been tested for coronavirus?
Once.
She's not even vaccinated.
Vaccinated.
What did I say?
I'm vaccinated.
She's not even vaccinated. That's what I get. So this is the test that we got. So they said that our results come back in 15 minutes, so that was kind of cool. So let's see what we got here. This test was $22. I've never done this.
What is this, Mom?
I don't know. We need some directions. You know, we don't like to read directions, but we're gonna read directions today. These two. This tray must be important too. We know what this is.
From this is a fact sheet, but do you want to read this? You know everything about. Oh no, you need to read it because you don't know what an antigen test is. From here.
Possible discomfort
Of course.
or other complications can happen during sample collection.
Like what? You know what I'm saying?
Maybe a nosebleed or something. But potential benefits. The results, along with other information, can help your healthcare provider make informed recommendations about your care. The results of this test help limit the spread of COVID-19 to your family and others in your community. If you have a positive test result, it is very likely that you have COVID-19 because of the proteins from the virus that causes COVID-19 were found in your sample. A negative test result means that proteins from the virus that causes COVID-19 were not found in your sample. Okay, guys, we're gonna try it because we've been traveling and we just need to be sure. Okay, so you know what all of this stuff is?
Okay, so this is a test card.
Okay.
Whatever this is a dropper bottle.
Or this, so we don't have to
I'm
drop
assuming
it.
that you take the swab, you put it onto here, and put that in here. But I don't know.
Okay.
Yep, so this is the swab test card, dropper bottle. Do not touch any parts on the inside. Handle card on the edges. Card must stay flat on table for entire test. Okay, so remove test card.
This is just salt to make sure it's fresh. We all know what that is.
And lay it flat. Make sure.
Girl, I pray that this test don't come back negative.
Positive.
Positive.
No, positive. Make sure the blue control line is present. Open card flat on table. You may bend the spine on the outside direction to help the card lay flat. So you can, it says open it. And then 3, remove the dropper bottle.
So we're gonna wipe our hands.
We gotta start eating.
Stop eating.
Hold on.
Get that over here.
This hot sauce tastes funny. It's not Frank's. No, it's in
Frank's hot sauce is the best. Okay, so we don't need this.
No.
Okay, so all you need is this tray.
So you keep this.
It's 2 of these come in here, okay?
You open this.
Everybody get one of these. Flat, lay it flat. This is gonna go up your nose, and this is what we're gonna be using.
You take this, you drop it in here. Then you do your nose, and then you stick it also in here. Then you peel this off and you close it, and you wait 15 minutes, and then you see your test. If it's positive, it's 2 lines. If it's negative, it's 1 line.
Here we go. So tell us what to do.
Okay, so you take this
Just
off.
twist this little top off.
Okay, and you have to do exactly 6 drops.
In the first hole. And the first hole is small.
Hold on. 1,
Oh, wait.
2, 3, 4.
This is not that easy.
5. Okay. 6. Okay. Stop. Make sure it's 6. They said 6.
Okay. Jeez, that was stressful.
Which side is the...
Okay.
Okay, so this is the swab at the top. You peel it open. I'm scared. What if I got COVID?
Girl, I'm dropping you off at ER.
Okay, so hold it
But
at the
how
bottom.
far up do we take this?
It said 1/2 inch to 3/4.
What's that?
Up to 3/4, and you see how far that is? Where your nostril
Let me
is.
see. Let me see the picture.
You see where your nostril is?
Because when that doctor did it, she put it up there.
Well, this is what it says.
Okay, so that's not
And
that
you
far.
swirl at least 5 times. You have to. It should be in here for at least 15 seconds. Ready? Ouch. You put this in.
Wait on me. Wait on me.
Come on, leave my test exposed for too long. Come on, guys. Don't 15 minutes, 15 seconds.
I want to make sure it's up there.
Did you twist 5 times?
Yeah.
Okay, so come on.
I've been twisting the whole time.
Okay, so take it out. Okay, so you're supposed to put it in the bottom and you push it up to the top.
In Jesus' name.
And then you're gonna turn to the right 3 times to make sure that it's in there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay. So next, do not remove the swab. You're gonna peel this off. And you're gonna close it. You're gonna press down on it.
Press down, shaking together, running over.
Okay, so then you stay there.
Do you know that song?
Yes,
Let me hear you sing it.
just sing it.
Press down, shaking
That's
together,
the only part of the song I know though.
running over.
Okay, we have to do.
Blessings running over. How I'm gonna be the minister of music? You don't know no church songs.
I do know that part.
That's not even a full chord.
That's the part I know.
Okay, so I press down on
Okay,
it.
so just leave it there.
Okay, can you get an ink pen so we can mark A on yours and S on mine?
No, mine's on the left, yours is on the right.
Because I don't want to get confused if you get coronavirus.
Okay, start.
Coronavirus!
15 minutes. Okay. And so we just leave it here and let's hope that nobody has corona since we breathe in the same air. I guess you'll really see if your vaccine works, huh?
My vaccine worked. I have the Moderna.
Okay.
Vaccinated.
nice.
Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up.
I'm not vaccinated. I might get it when I go home though.
You should.
Maybe.
You need to. It's changing
Mom,
colors.
stop
It's
fucking
changing colors. I want to give people a play-by-play.
Okay. Go ahead.
12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, 12 o'clock midnight. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later. Meanwhile, 2 hours later. 8:01 p.m. The next day.
My
Later.
test, I'm too scared to see.
It's positive, girl.
You said that too calm. That means negative.
It's positive. That's what I said.
I thought positive was 2 lies. Who she thinks she talking
it's
to?
positive. I'm telling you.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Positive is 2 lines. 1 line is negative. We in that thing.
Corona free.
Corona free.
No one has brought me sunshine in my life the way